Okay, hi there and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Today we are having a look at an absolute 80s classic for you, classic bit of synth pop, but it will sound fantastic on the acoustic guitar as well. It is the wonderful Don't You Want Me by the Human League, worldwide smash back in the 80s. Okay, and this one, as I try and do with most of my lessons, this one shouldn't give you too many problems, even if you're fairly new to the acoustic guitar. I'm going to give you the chords first that you will need with screenshots. And again, like I always say, if you have any problems with the chords, you might want to pause the video and just make sure you're comfortable changing from one chord to the other. And then, of course, as usual, I'm going to be jamming the song, humming the melody after I've gone through the chords with you. Okay, so first of all, the chords you will need for this one are A minor. You will need a F. You will need a G. You will need a D minor. You'll also need an E minor. You'll need an A major. You will need a B minor. You will need a C. And you will need an E major. Okay, so feel free to pause the video and make sure you're comfortable changing between those chords. But if you're good to go, let's crack on now. The chords to the song are obviously going to come up on the screen. And you'll have to excuse the singing, it's a little bit high for me this one, but I'm going to hum the melody under the chords so you can see how it all sits together. Okay, so ready with your A minor for the intro section, and here we go. Okay, 3, 4. A minor, da-dum, A minor to F. A minor, da-dum, G and A minor. A minor, da-dum, A minor to F. A minor, da-dum, G and A minor. Verse. F and F and then a G and a G and F and then a G. F and F and then a G and a G and F and then to G. Let's go to the bridge. A minor, E minor, and F and then da 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 and D minor G. A minor, E minor, and F and then da 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 and D minor and G and A major da da, B minor da da, and C da da D and E major. Chorus. F and F to G. Back to the verse. Da 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 and a G and a G and F and then to G. F and F and then a G and a G and F and then a G. Let's go to the bridge again. A minor, E minor, and F and then da 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 and D minor and G. A minor to E minor, and F and then da 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 and D minor and G and A major down, B minor da down, and C da da down and E major. Chorus again. F and F to G, da da dum, F and F to G, F and F to G, da da dum, F and F to G. Back to the intro. A minor, da-dum, A minor to F. A minor, da-dum, G and A minor. A minor, da-dum, A minor to F. A minor, da-dum, G and A minor. Okay, those are the only sections in the song, so you can mix and match, put them together how you do for an acoustic version of the classic Don't You Want Me Baby by the Human League, classic bit of 80s synth pop on the acoustic guitar. Give it a try and it will sound great. Keep practicing and see you again soon for more easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you and goodbye.